You see, this is the story of how I become the world's greatest hero.
We're shattering the sun.